Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play on a PlayStation 4 controller on PlayStation 5 Fortnite. It's crucial to understand a key compatibility point. PlayStation 4 controllers are designed for PlayStation 4 games. When playing a native PlayStation 5 game like the PlayStation 5 version of Fortnite, your PlayStation 4 controller will not function. This is a fundamental hardware and software distinction between the two console generations. The only way to use your PlayStation 4 controller for Fortnite on your PlayStation 5 is to play the PlayStation 4 version of the game. To do this, navigate to the PlayStation Store on your PlayStation 5. Search for Fortnite and ensure you select the PlayStation 4 edition for download. Once installed, this version will recognize and fully support your PlayStation 4 controller, allowing you to jump into the action. Connecting your PlayStation 4 controller to your PlayStation 5 is straightforward. Use a standard USB cable to physically connect the controller to one of the USB ports on your PlayStation 5 console. The system will then guide you through assigning the controller to your user profile. Once this quick pairing process is complete, you can disconnect the cable and enjoy wireless gameplay with your PlayStation 4 controller on the PlayStation 4 version of Fortnite. While playing the PlayStation 4 version of Fortnite, you might notice subtle differences in graphics or frame rate compared to the native PlayStation 5 version. However, rest assured that your account, progress, and all in-game purchases, like V-Bucks, are completely shared between both versions. This approach ensures you can continue enjoying Fortnite with the comfort and familiarity of your PlayStation 4 controller, making it a practical solution for many players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.